welcome to my channel. Today I have a gigantic Stitch Fix. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. I'm sure there's some fall fashion. It's not very heavy. I'm really hoping there might be some booties in this box. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Hello, I'm really glad that you're here. I make videos all about women's clothing, so if you like that, subscribe, join me again. Returning subscribers, hello everyone. It's so nice to see you again. Stitch Fix is a style subscription service that I use and have been using for several years. I love it. I have a stylist who's awesome. He picks out clothing for me to try at home, 5 pieces, 3 days to try everything. There is a $20 styling fee. That fee comes off anything that you purchase in the box. I've left everything that you need to know about Stitch Fix and getting a Stitch Fix for yourself in the description box below, so check it out if you want more information. And let's just get into this box and see what 5 pieces my stylist has picked for me today. Okay, here is the inside of the box. And there's a return mailer, so anything that doesn't work I can send back. And we do not have a shoe bag in here, but we have 2 big bundles, big and cushy bundles. In every Stitch Fix, they include an invoice, of course, because you have to pay for any of the clothing that you keep. And there is a style card that shows styling suggestions for every piece that my stylist has included in this box. So 2 big bundles. Here is bundle number 1. That looks like a puffer jacket. Let's see. Oh, it's more than one thing. Okay, the first thing is by Vero Moda. And it is a super lightweight hunter green puffer jacket, really, really lightweight. I like this. I really don't probably need it, but I'm really excited to try it on. I'm curious about the price. If the price is right, I'll add this to my collection because I do not have a green jacket. And the next piece is by Faith and Zoe, right? Faith and Zoe. This is a cardigan with no pockets. Oh, it's not a cardigan. This is a color block sweater. Oh, I like this one. Okay. And it feels like an acrylic sweater. It's not super soft, but I like the style of it. I'm trying to keep that out of the light, but yeah. Okay. Hopefully you get a better idea of what this looks like when it's out of the direct sunlight and on my body. Bundle number 2, and on the top we have a floral, and again, an acrylic. I think this is an acrylic. Oh my gosh, how cute. This is a hoodie. This is in olive green with those great big florals that I'm not real crazy about, but I do like a hoodie. Yeah. Okay, so who is this? This is by Pink Clover. I don't know. Okay, we'll see how that looks. This looks great too. Sweater weather. Love Ellie is the brand. And okay, this is fun. This is a rust and white cardigan. Pockets, yes. So this is just an open front cardigan. It looks to be a little bit shorter. It's probably about hip length. So look at this. Look at this big chunky sweater. OMG. Okay, this is RD Style. I bought a bunch of sweaters and cardigans last year from the RD Style label. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is rainbow yarn. So I don't know. I'm going to try everything on. I'm going to close the window shade so we can get a better idea of the true colors of every garment. Stay tuned. Folks, please forgive me for the lighting during the unboxing. I'm sitting in front of an open window. It feels awesome, but I realized that was not the best lighting to see the clothing in a great light. I'm hoping that you'll be able to see it better during this part of the video. So I do have a note from my stylist, and he actually apologizes for not sending some booties. I think I'm going to have to shop for my own booties. I'm going to get serious about that now because my stylists are not sending me booties, but he really did send me some fabulous pieces. Now, they're expensive. Warning, this is an expensive fix. All 5 pieces come to $324. The buy all discount is $81, which brings the total to $243. And I do have some credit. Thank you very much, ladies. When you use my link, I get a little bit of credit. You get credit. It's awesome. It's a win-win. So thank you to those of you that have helped me to make my fixes just a little bit more affordable, because I love this fix. In fact, this may be a 5 for 5, and I am being very, very picky about the pieces that I add to my wardrobe. So stick around and see if I'm right. Should I keep everything? The jacket, I couldn't wait to try it on. This is the Vera Moda Madge Lightweight Puffer Jacket, and this is in teal green. To me, it looks more of a hunter green. I bought a teal jacket from Stitch Fix last year. It was a teal blue color. It's very, very different, but it is a longer style puffer jacket, so I don't know that I need this. This one is very lightweight. I really like this one. I don't know. The longer length is different. I do have puffer jackets that are just below my waist. This one is $88. It is super lightweight. It does have zipper pockets. It does zip up to a very, very high neck. I mean, there's so much to like about this jacket. I was a little bit worried it might be too tight for me in my hips. I did get it zipped up. I could move freely in this jacket. Vera Moda, $88. And what I'm going to call hunter green, Stitch Fix calls this teal green. I love it. I want to keep it. I don't need it. I still want it. The cardigan, the burnt orange striped cardigan. Now this one is a very loose weave. I don't know if you can see it. It's a lightweight cardigan. It does have the pockets that I truly like. I think this cardigan is fabulous. This one is only $38. The ticket says the Love Ellie Larissa 2-pocket cotton blend cardigan. I like this one even more than I thought I was going to like it. I think you could see just with I'm wearing a charcoal gray sweater and dark denim, and putting on a cardigan like this just really brightened up my outfit, and I want this one. It's only $38. It's a fabulous price point. I wish it wasn't this loose weave. That's not my favorite because my rings get stuck on it. I like the print. I like the stripes. It's $38. This one I think I need to keep. The rainbow cardigan. Let me get up close so you can just see how beautiful this is. Nice, thick, chunky sweater. It does have that circular front, which I think is beautiful. No pockets. That's the biggest downfall on this cardigan. And my stylist actually noted that. I know there's no pockets. I think you're going to love it. He's absolutely right. This one is called the Montoya Open Cardigan. It is $88. RD Style makes a super cardigan, and they are at a higher price point. I bought several of these last year. I love them all. I think this is a good investment. I also think, I don't know, what do you think? Is this a fall cardigan? I'm certain I can wear this in the springtime. Let's face it, I'll wear it in the fall. It does have some great colors, and I like the brighter colors, but we do have more of the oranges. But look, there's every color of the rainbow. $88. And this one's pricey, and even without pockets, I think I'm going to keep this one. The hoodie is the next thing that I tried on. This one was by Pink Clover, and it's called the BB Knit Hoodie. It's an olive green with these gigantic floral, which isn't my thing. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I don't know. I don't really don't like that big floral print. On the other hand, when I put it on, I kind of liked it. Tell me what you think about this one. Be honest with me, because this might be the free piece if I keep everything. So it is not super soft. It does have a drop shoulder, so that's a little bit different. It's kind of tighter in this part of the arms and loose. Otherwise, it does have that kangaroo pocket in the front, which I appreciate. I think this looks great with denims and maybe a pair of booties. Yeah, I like this one. Surprisingly, I liked this, even with the great big flower, so much more than I thought I would. Okay, but I want to hear your honest opinions about this one. Should I wear it? Am I kidding myself? Or is it as cute as I felt in it? And the Faith and Zoe sweater is the last thing that I tried on. This one, let's see what this one is called. It is the Lena crewneck pullover sweater. This one is $68. I love a color blocking. And I think this one is nicely done. It didn't wow me right out of the box, but when I put it on, I really like the fit of this one. It's a longer length, which I appreciate. Of course, I love this darker pink color, but next to the light pink's not the best color on me, but when you put the two together, I think I can pull this one off. It's not incredibly soft, but it's not scratchy at all. $68. I put this on and it made me want to wear it immediately. So that's a good sign that I will wear it. I'm not looking to add too many sweaters to my collection. I love to buy my sweaters on sale after Christmas. You can pick them up for nearly nothing, but if my stylist sends me a fabulous sweater, I certainly want to add it to my collection. Now you've seen everything in my fix. I like all 5 pieces. I'm pretty crazy about 3 pieces. The jacket is awesome. This sweater is beautiful and I want to wear it, and I am nuts about the rainbow cardigan. I do like the striped cardigan as well. It's just a little bit lightweight and the light weave, and sometimes I have to consider if I want that, because often they get snagged very easily with my rings and my pets. And the hoodie, surprisingly, is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I think it's kind of cute. Yeah, the hoodie is the one piece I could send back and never think twice about it. That piece is only $42, and my discount is $81 if I keep everything. So yeah, you see, this could be a 5 for 5. Now, with Stitch Fix and with most of my style boxes, I try to sleep on it. I'd love to get your feedback and your help in making these decisions, because I do not know what the pieces look like. I look in the viewfinder of the camera, and that is my best assessment when I am talking to you about the clothing. When I edit, that changes everything. Your opinions really help me to make my decisions. So thank you for your comments and your feedback. I really appreciate it. I have more videos coming soon, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. A thumbs up is so very helpful. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one, folks. Blessings.